హైదరాబాద్ ప్రపంచ హెల్త్ హబ్గా కొనసాగుతూ ఉంది. దేశ విదేశాల నుంచి వేలాది మంది పేషెంట్స్ హైదరాబాద్కు వైద్యం వచ్చేటువంటి సాంప్రదాయం ఉంది. ఇక్కడ డెంటల్లో ఇప్పటి వరకు వరల్డ్ క్లాస్ హాస్పిటల్ ఇక్కడ లేదు, ఆ ట్రీట్మెంట్ కూడా ఇక్కడ లేదు. ఎంఎస్ గౌడ్ గారు మెదక్ వాసి, డెంటల్లో తనకంటూ ఒక ఒరవడి, ఒక పేరు ప్రతిష్టలు సంపాదించినటువంటి ఎంఎస్ గౌడ్ గారి కుమారుడు వికాస్ గారు ఇక్కడ హైటెక్ సిటీలో ఒక మంచి లేటెస్ట్ డెంటల్ హాస్పిటల్ పెట్టడం, ఈ ప్రాంతానికే కాకుండా ఇతర దేశాల మెడికల్ టూల్స్లో కూడా అట్రాక్ట్ చేసే ఆస్కారం ఉంది. మొట్టమొదటిసారిగా ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ని ఇంట్రొడ్యూస్ చేసి లేటెస్ట్ టెక్నాలజీతో అప్పటికప్పుడు ఈవెన్ డెంటల్ ఇంప్లాంట్స్ కూడా చేసేటువంటి సౌకర్యం ఉన్నటువంటి హాస్పిటల్ ఇది హైదరాబాద్లో ఒక కలికితురాయిగా ఉంటుందని చెప్పి భావిస్తూ, వికాస్ గారికి ఇప్పటికే చాలా సికింద్రాబాద్లో, బంజారాహిల్స్లో అనేక హాస్పిటల్స్ కొనసాగుతున్నాయి. ఇది అదనంగా వచ్చిన సెంటర్ కాబట్టి మీరు మరింత ఎదగాలని, తెలంగాణ వాసిగా ఇవాళ ప్రపంచంలో ఒక మంచి డెంటల్ హాస్పిటల్గా పేరు రావాలని చెప్పి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ వారికి శుభాకాంక్షలు.
గౌడ్ గారు ప్రపంచ స్థాయి గుర్తింపు పొందినటువంటి డెంటల్ డాక్టర్. వారి బాటలోనే వారి కుమారుడు కూడా అప్డేట్గా ఇప్పుడు వస్తున్న మోడర్న్ టెక్నాలజీ, అడ్వాన్స్డ్ టెక్నాలజీ ఉపయోగించి అంతర్జాతీయ స్థాయిలో ఈ డెంటల్ హాస్పిటల్ను స్థాపించారు. దీనికి రాజేందర్ గారు చెప్పినట్టు మన మెడికల్ హబ్గా హైదరాబాద్ గుర్తింపు పొందింది. అమెరికా తర్వాత ప్రపంచ స్థాయిలో వైద్యం, హై స్టాండర్డ్ వైద్యం మన భారతదేశంలో ప్రత్యేకంగా హైదరాబాద్లో ఉంది. దీనికి తగ్గట్టుగానే డెంటల్ కూడా ప్రపంచ స్థాయి గుర్తింపు పొందేటట్టుగా వికాస్ గౌడ్ గారు ఆధ్వర్యంలో నెలకొల్పారు. వికాస్ గౌడ్ గారు తండ్రి బాటలోనే పెద్ద ఎత్తున ప్రపంచ స్థాయి గుర్తింపు పొందే డాక్టర్గా రాణించాలని ఆకాంక్షిస్తూ, ఆశీర్వదిస్తూ
congratulate Mr. M.S. Gaur. I had the good fortune of meeting him at the governor's house. The governor himself had called him to felicitate him and met him that time. And now his son, Mr. Vikas, he's the modern side of him. And he's already a very renowned dentist, Mr. M.S. Gaur. Winner of many accolades before. And now they've got the best best of the clinics. And it's a whole floor. And as you can see, spanking new. So it's like, it's going to be looking brand new for the next at least few years, and it's spotless. And they have all the facilities under one roof. They like, for example, if you go to some other dental clinic, they'll make you wait 7 days after they take a, like a mold of your teeth, and then they'll send it for the caps to Bombay, because in Hyderabad they don't have reliable people making caps and all that. They crack or break. Now they have everything in house, so you don't have to maybe a couple of hours, or maybe you go out and come back in 4 hours. You get your teeth. So it's a one-stop shop. And I think this is the best. And the location is fantastic because the central place in high-tech city, it's Madhapur. Central Madhapur is right next to the Shilparam and the iconic high-tech tower or what? High-tech tower. Anyway, fortunately, the city came around it, right? High-tech city. Cyber Tower. This is like just like a stone's throw from Cyber Tower. So it can't be more central. And the place is fantastic. We just walked through all the rooms, and I'm congratulating them again for having the right place and right facility, right time. And if people have a one heart, so you have a one surgeon, you have 32 teeth. So so you have to keep going to the doctor all the time. They're probably the busiest people, and there's a lot of things. It's also cosmetic. It's also your smile. It also gets you confidence. There's so many things to it. So I'm happy to be here as a guest of honor today, and like I was. I think guest of honor or chief guest in the governor's house also. Thank you for inviting me. I'm Rona Kyapa. I'm Rona Kyapa.
Good morning and welcome to the press and all those guests who have come here today. We had one goal, one thing that we wanted to do was whatever the best that I've studied. I've done my graduation, post graduation. I've done my super specialization in implants. I did my aesthetics from Germany, my implants from US, Fort Lauderdale. So I wanted to get the best technology to India at a very affordable price, and that has been my goal for the last 20 years. And as it's been put, my father laid the foundation for Dr. Gowds Dental Hospitals, and we both with the same mission of getting the best technology. So we were one of the first to introduce the dental lasers to the state of the combined states, Telugu states of AP and Telangana. We were the first to conduct immediate implant loading workshop in Hyderabad, among the first to have shown an implant surgery way back in 1990 when implantology was very nascent. We are also one of the first, we can proudly say that we are the first to come up with cosmetic dentistry and introduce cosmetic dentistry to the state. As Sir has already said, that we are trying to, what we were doing manually, we were doing handmade. There were a lot of errors that were coming. So we are trying to overcome those errors by using AI, by using technology. So whatever best skilled hands you have, unless you have the best technology to take it further, then we cannot do. And we've been in other parts of the city, and we said that we have to also be in the west part, because there are a lot of people, it becomes very difficult for them to travel. So, and this being really a hub, I could say the center of Hyderabad, and a place where we can accommodate a lot of people. So that is why we have come up with this. We are also concentrating, as our government is pushing medical tourism. We are looking at dental tourism, where we can not just treat our own people, but we can also treat people who are coming from abroad. We can give them the best quality treatment. A lot of people in Africa and other countries where they are affording, but they are not able to get the right kind of treatment. We are trying to cater to all of them. We are trying to see that this becomes a synonym for anything that comes with dental. So whether it is aligners, whether it is aesthetic dentistry or implant dentistry. So from age 5 or 6 to the age of 80 till for the lifelong, we are trying to treat people to give them the best quality at a very affordable price. Thank you.
So this is what branch, sir? This one what branch?
This is branch in the
No. This is like the 7th branch that we have
in city.
in the city.